Bruzatio sabakamu kau tamabai Bruzatio kluzmo Akhe zati kau boha nima Khupor nung khnam chuke Zibi harpadriam Brunipa YouTube channel No kau yata thangbi Skang thawa ini YouTube channel nai tonai zo tono khakchang mo kau tmaya phai phiyo tinio ke salsnima July bosesi nei kholphe bama chungsuk phaye thangpi ha tinio no kau tma sek tharet male bose chini Mizoram ni phaye Tripura wo para thirthaba khe ong phaye thangnai rao tinio khe Kanchanpur subdivision North Tripura wo lamdari hinglai mo tongphio bo lamdari hinglai mole tmajamani hingsingkhe Browni Saimong Jini Saimong Thaitam kau Thayama ke AAY ration phut ha rianai mo Thainima ke ubahaba khe chanima jaga rianai himo Thaithama ke bale sasauni sorkari no thaiba eri mono sasauni mongo khe lekha pora thir khe nima himomani kauno toye tinio Kanchanpur bazar msinyo naisingpara khasnampara asapara ni brokraw phaikhlaiye lama lamdari hinglayo borowo jomawo brok bangmo saisinoi rjabaro ni saka khiye bangye gari brok betha khiye bangye browni saimo memorandum rongno SDM Kanchanpur ni yaudoi khiye Tripura ni chief secretary no yaphaiye rilayo borowo tamangba ye body khiye lama hiani nami singkhe taon jorawo AAY mairong tre jagawo khe mairong no hani kholphe chrama no khongchero no bawe chari amuma riya ye tongphyo bo naisingpara khasnampara asapara rawo khe bai tre wo phono riya yama tongo abdi khe khetim ba ye bono phut harini ongtho himo kaurong no toye tinio body khelamdari mahinglai phio arong ba ekha achong singkhe Beng sal-tal thukhriyo kam khai ong tomo somoi Beng purthimbi ni hathai chu thaurawo kam khai khiye ta iskalo yakong ba hingnai koi sikha chamung phono o mai chamon slaile hotel kaham restaurant kahamo phaiha chamoni saisi chra ongye tongmoni somoyo chungle bo mairong mangna no hani kholphe chramano se ridi hiye sorkari no chilai ma tongu arongbo ye mkha sasungha ke pono ma tongpio kha chongsing khela chi sunga ke pono ma tongpio jobori tangchan slemdei songnung slemdei no tongye chamchumdei mangna chamchumdei bosik bangma mangna chare photre mangna chaye tongchumdei ke omorole mkha pono saye ma tonglai pio are hipho tini naine haisingkhe sorkari bai chuno no khongha se no thairiye no tangye riao chungno chani ma muha chini ha kroi tini sorkari chakri muha pokroi inkhe abo khoipye chini rangkho puicha jugla mani ye muha kroimbo ye tiniola chifo paya krifo paya khiye sorkari no nangmok mamo saiye tinio bo para kongthamni brok bang ma khiye Kanchanpur manang pungri ye chri layo arongba ye la chiphono paya sasauni khoksimono jotono sireni ba hiye bodi khe mam khailayo arongba ye tre thausumo ang kausam chumo khe chini naisingpara khasnampara asapara ni lugo projajo torao janjani samuno noi khauye tini chalmara wo phaikhlaye bodi khiye lamalam hinglai morawo kauba halamba khe umron naye khakchangi ma tongo tini bo kiha party ni thumlai moya bo kiha party rangriye gari kariye tikhlai bi moya sasauni rangkho puicha no hanir jaha toi salaye chaya kaye pho toi saye sasauni nangmok mamo ba hiye bodi khiye bro gubang khiye phaimai mole kauba hangmo phumo se hiye jotono saye maknari pio arongba ye joto phainirono khakchamo kau sawo tawo ang kau samo sisak nainai rana saikau chafakrok phaunge tha har phonrao mchiene ne hiye ang palma saiphiu
Zoto Poigam, respected leaders from three resettlement location, my dear brothers and sisters, my dear friends, and all those who are standing and listening this our rally, a warm greeting to all of you. Today, we are not gathered here in anger, not in violence. Today, we gathered here for some of our important issues. Before starting into our rally programs, our rally points, first of all, I would like to thank the state and central government for solving this 25-year long pending issue. We have been living in the settlement camp, in the displaced camp for 25 years with lots of suffering, anger, fears, and uncertainty. But by the grace of the central government and the state government, our long pending 25 years issue has been solved. But till today, we have to once again gather here to raise our issue. So, we are not enemy of the government. We are not enemy of the government. We are the beneficiary of the government. That's why we have to raise our issue. Today, in our rally, we have three demands. Number one is the issuance of AAY ration, that is Antodaya Anna Yojana scheme, provided to the poorest of the poor. So it is very shameful for us today to demand AAY ration while our fellow Indians are traveling in the moon, while our fellow Indians are enjoying the computer age, our fellow Indians are enjoying nuclear age, different age. But we, the people from the resettlement location, resettlement camps, has to demand AAY ration that is provided to the poorest of the poor. You may think that they are not the poorest of the poor. We are not the poorest of the poor. But if you look at our situation, we are living in the resettlement camp. By the grace of the central government and the state government, housing construction has been already completed. We are very happy, but only housing construction cannot be a survival. So we have no land, we have no job, we have no income generation. That's why we have to demand this AAY ration. Not only that, our fellow other resettlement location, after 2 years, they are getting the ration, 2 years ration. They got 35 kg per day. But our Naisingpara location, our Asapara location, our Khasnapara location, after 2 years completion of the ration, we were given PHH, that is primary household ration, that is per 5 kg per head. So that is unacceptable. We want equality also. Let the government treat all the resettlement people equally. That is what we want. That's why today our point number one is the immediate issuance of the AAY ration. Otherwise, our people will not accept the PHH ration. So unless and until the government of Tripura do not provide us AAY ration, our people will not sit silently. And the second point is the allocation of agriculture land. All of us, we know, in the year 2020 January 16, central government, state government, our representative, and some other leaders used to sign brew agreement in New Delhi. In the agreement, point number 4.2, it was written like that: agricultural land should be discussed in the joint monitoring committee. But after 5 years has been almost complete, from the signing of agreement till today, almost 5 years is going to complete. But till today, there is no any use of agriculture land. We cannot survive with 30 by 40 plot of land. Already I have mentioned, the government has given us 30 by 40 plot of land. That is just for housing construction. That is not for survival. That's why we demand agriculture land. That is for our survival. That is for our life. As you know, our resettlement camp presently we are staying. We don't have any government job also. We don't have any income generation also. That's why our only solution is agricultural land. Unless and until our agricultural land is not success, not allocated by the government of Tripura and India, our movement will be continue. Last year also we already blocked the national highway at the Haduklau. That time also we raised this problem, but till today we don't get any feedback from the government of Tripura. So we are very sorry once again. Today we have to gather here to raise this point again. So this is my request and warning to the government of Tripura. We, the resettlement location people, will not simply sit unless and until our demand is not success. And the last point is the registration of our plot. Already all of us, everyone, we know that 30 by 40 plot has been given to each and every family. We are very happy, we are very thankful to the government. But at the same time, that 30 by 40 feet of plot is not registered in our names. So legal documentation should be granted immediately so that our 30 by 40 plot which is given to us will be in our names. That is what we want, so that we can enjoy other government facility also. By demanding these 3 points, today we gather here in the Kanchanpur to submit memorandum to SDM office. We will submit memorandum to Chief Secretary of Tripura to our SDM. So this is our demand, and it is very short and clear that it is our right. It is our right to demand, as well as it is already written in the agreement also. That's why we, our people, lastly, we want to know everybody that unless and until our demand is not success, our movement will be continue. Thank you.